everyone. Good evening all of you. Hope you are all doing well. All of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone get ready to crack, all of you, right? So audio video both are clear, all of you, everyone. So whenever you are subscribing to the plus and iconic courses, right, plus or iconic courses, right, what is that a referral code you have to use always? You have to use the referral code RP Civil Live, right? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always. Don't miss this, all of you. Now at present, which offer is there, all of you? At present, up to tomorrow, that 20% discount offer is there, na? You'll be getting 20% discount on the referral code up to tomorrow only, right? So previously it was 10% only, and again from day after tomorrow onwards also it will be again 10% only will be getting, right? Only for tomorrow, only today and tomorrow it will be there, right? Don't miss this offer, all of you. Use the referral code RP Civil Live, right? So this is that is my profile. You can follow me, and Unacademy, pinned by Unacademy, Acad, GATE ESE, MECA, CH is there na. When you click on that banner, you will be redirected to my profile in Unacademy, or in the description also you can find my profile link, and you can just follow my which one, and you can just follow my profile in Unacademy, you can say, right? You'll be getting the regular updates of my classes, you can say, right? Now coming to this, these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, and which one? Unacademy goal, right? You can achieve your Unacademy goal, right? You can achieve your Unacademy goal by means of which one? This is a 20% discount on this plus subscription, if you just observe, right? So if you are taking 12 month subscription, 28,556 you will be getting, and 35,695 was the original price, you can say. So what is that referral code you have to use always? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use. RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always. Yes, na? Right. Now coming to this practice for GATE and ESE with Unacademy PYQs, right? You can practice for GATE and ESE with Unacademy PYQs. All PYQs you can practice at a place, right? So you just go for that, and you can get that. Mainly PYQ solving is very, very important in any successful achievement, you can say, right? These are the special class features we are having. These are all GATE 2022 toppers from Unacademy. These are all ESE 2021 toppers from Unacademy. And whoever is taking plus subscription, these are the benefits we'll be getting. And whoever is taking iconic subscription, these are all the benefits we'll be getting, right? So this free physical notes will be given for those who are taking iconic subscription for 1 or more year only, okay? 1 year or more than 1 year. And if you are taking plus subscription, you will be getting which one? These soft copies of these notes, right? Not the physical notes. These are the new batches you are having. Lakshya batch. So RP Civil is the RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use whenever you are subscribing to the new batches and subscribing to the new courses, you can say, right? And this Pragati batch is also starting. So what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use, right? So now these are the differences between this plus and iconic subscription, you can say. Whenever so this is plus, this is your iconic subscription, right? So using whenever you are subscribing, what is that referral code you have to use for maximum discount? RP Civil Live is a maximum discount code, you can say, right? Unacademy Lite subscription means it is only the test series related subscription. Those who are going for this only test series, not the theoretical classes, you can go for this Unacademy Lite subscription. Okay. Now coming to our discussions, right? Which one we were discussing, if you just observe? Which one we were discussing, if you just observe, all of you? So that questions on this Compass Surveying we were discussing now. So we'll be continuing our questions, right? Which question? This 257th question got completed, and now we'll be going for which one? This today's class part 31 of All-State PSC PYQs of surveying, Compass Survey. So in this Compass Survey also numericals, bearings, included angles and declination we are discussing. Yes, now. So now select the answer for this 258 question, all of you. Everyone select the answer for this 258 question. This is your West Bengal PSC. Select the answer. Anyone? Someone select the answer. Someone. If the foresight of line, if the foresight of line AB is 35 degree, right? Ankesh Raja, B, you are telling B option. Okay. So foresight of line AB is 35 degree and that of line BE is 15 degree and the included angle between the lines is, right? What is the included angle between these lines if you just observe, right? What is the AB line if you just observe? AB line it is 35 degree, na? For AB line it is 35 degree, you can say 35 degree. So this is north, you can say. And what is that you are having for this AB line? It is 35 degree, right? This is your A and this is your B, and this angle comes to be 35 degree if you just observe. And what is that you can say for BE line? It is 15 degree, na? For BE line it will be 15 degree, you can say, right? So for this BE line, how can you select? 15 degree means it is very small value, na? Yes, it is very small value, right? That is your E. And what is this angle, you can say if you just observe? This is your north. What is this angle? This angle is your north, 15 degree if you just observe, right? Now you are asked to identify which one. This internal angle, na? Included angle you are asked to identify because the that is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. Which one? The surveying progress. And what is this angle? How can you get this angle if you just observe? You can say, how can you get this angle if you just observe? So that is 15 degree. And what is this one? You can say this is your 9. Okay, this is your 180 degree, na? Yes, no? This is your 180 degree. And what is this angle? This is your 35 degree, right? So this is your 35 degree. And what is that angle? You can say, all of you. This angle is your 35 degree. One second. So when this angle is your 35 degree, right? What is this angle if you just observe? What is that remaining angle? Is it not that 180 minus this 35, all of you? Can we say? Yes, this angle will be how much, right? This angle will be how much? This angle will be 180 minus this 35, na? So this will be 180 minus this 35. So what is it? 180 minus this 35, you can say here. 180 minus 40 is how much? 140. So 145, right? This is your 145 degrees now. Yes, it is your 145 degrees, right? Now tell me, what is that included angle? You can say this included angle alpha is equal to what? That 145 degrees plus 15 degree, right? What is that? 145 plus 15? 140, 150, 160 degrees. Option C will be the correct answer. You can say if you just observe, right? Like that. So shall we move to the next question? 259. Yes, select the answer, all of you. 259th question. 259 question, select the answer, everyone. Select the answer for this, all of you. Anyone? Nobody selecting the answer. If the magnetic bearing of this sun at a place already, okay, these questions are we have done. This is 259. This kind of question we have done already. Or we can select magnetic bearing of the sun at the place at noon is noon in the southern hemisphere is 167 degrees, right? In the southern hemisphere, how much it should be generally? You just observe this is your north, and whenever he is moving from east to west, let us say this is your east and this is your west, right? When the in the morning sun is at which one? this 90-degree bearing you are having, right? That is your true north with respect to the true north, you can say. Whenever it comes to this true south, right, what is that you can say? Whenever sun comes to this true south, so it is which one? This 180 degrees a true bearing, but it is at which condition? Noon, afternoon conditions, right? So that is at which condition you can say? Morning condition, right? This is your morning condition, and this is your west, which one? This is 270 degrees, right? This is 270 degrees when it comes to be evening condition, evening. It's not. So this is your which one? This is 0 degree or 360 degree. Anyone, both are same, right? This is at which one? Midnight conditions, na? Yes, this is your this midnight conditions, right? Now tell me, whenever it is afternoon means what should be the true bearing of this sun? True bearing of this sun must be 180 degrees, na? Sun. So what is that you can say? That a true bearing is equal to, right? What is that you can say? Magnetic bearing plus or minus theta you can say, right? If it is eastern declination, what is that you can say? If it is eastern declination, what is that you are writing? If it is eastern declination plus theta e. If it is western declination, what is that? A true bearing is equal to that magnetic bearing minus this western declination, right? So here if you just observe, true bearing is, so what is that you can say? True bearing is lesser than this magnetic bearing. Here what is that you can say? That a magnetic bearing is, no, true bearing is greater than this magnetic bearing, you can say. Here second one, magnetic bearing is greater than the true bearing, right? But here which one is given? True bearing is 180 degrees, now true bearing is higher means that comes into picture, right? This is 180 degrees equal to which one? Magnetic bearing. We do not, what is that magnetic bearing given? 167 degrees plus a theta east, right? So yes or no? So what is that theta east? Eastern declination it comes to be. Since the true bearing is greater than the magnetic bearing, it will be eastern declination, right? What is the value of this eastern declination? 180 minus this 167, if you just observe, right? 180 minus this 167 is what? 13 degrees east, na? 13 degrees east. Option C will be the correct answer, right? Like that. So select the answer for this 268th question, all of you. Yes, Karan Singh, correct. Select the answer for this 260th question, everyone. Select the answer, anyone? Select the answer, everyone, for this question. Ramesh said B. Any other answer by others? The quadrilateral bearing or quadrantal bearing of the whole circle bearing of 294 degree 30 minutes can be expressed as, right? 294 degree 30 minutes means which one it will be? This is your north, this is your south, and this is your east, and this is your west, you can say. So what is that you can say? That line 294 means it is in the fourth quadrant. Let us say this is your line AB. How much it comes to be? So that angle will be how much? That theta, let us say 294 degrees 30 minutes, right? And what is this one? This is your alpha. If you just observe, what is that alpha? You can say that alpha is equal to that. Can we say 360 degrees minus 294 degrees 30 minutes? 294 degrees 30 minutes. If you just observe, 294 degrees 30 minutes, right? This implies what is that you can say? That quadrantal bearing is equal to north. How much angle you can say? North, how much angle it is? 65 degree 30 minutes, right? 65 degree 30 minutes west. Yes, now it is in between this north and west, right? North 65 degree 30 minutes west, right? So option B is the correct one, right? Like that. So next, select the answer for this 261 question of you. Select the answer for this, all of you. Karan Singh said B. Anyone else is going with any other answer? Right. The whole circle bearing of a place is 160 degrees 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Then the quadrantal bearing would be right. 160 degrees 12 minutes means it is in the second quadrant only, no? So it is in the second quadrant. That is your AB if you just observe. So how much angle it comes to be? That 160 degrees. Which one? This is 12 minutes, right? So this is your north you can say, and this is your east we can say, and this is your south, and this is your which one? This is west, right? Even without calculation also we can identify, right? Ankit Puri A. Even without calculation also we can identify, right? Why? Because this is in between this is south and east, na? Yes or no? South and east or not? Yes, this is in between which one? This is south and east, right? Let us say this is your alpha, this is your theta, right? What is that alpha? You can get it. Alpha is nothing but your 180 degrees minus this 160 degrees 21 minutes, right? How much it comes to be? Sorry, 12 minutes. No, sorry, 12 minutes, right? What is it? 12 minutes, 160 degrees, 12 minutes, right? Equal to how much you can say? 19 degrees, that 48 minutes, right? 19 degree 48 minutes. It is in between this south and east, na? It is in between this south and east, so southeast it comes to be, right? Southeast 1948. There is only one option with the southeast, na? There is only one option with the southeast. So which one is better to select? Directly, even without a calculation also we can select that option A, na? Because southeast conditions only one option is there. Is it clear, everyone? Karan, is it clear where you done wrong? Yeah, select the answer for this 262 question. Select the answer here. Two 62 questions. Select the answer, everyone. Ankit Puri A. Any other answer by others? So if the quadrantal bearing is north 25 degree west, then whole circle bearing of this line is, right? Whole circle bearing of this line is, right? What is that? North 25 degree west means, right? This is your north, na? This is your north, you can say. This is your west, you can say, right? What is this angle if you just observe? This is your 25 degree, you can say. Na? And what is this one? This is your whole circle bearing, na? Then what is that whole circle bearing, you can say? Simply it is your 360 degrees minus this 25 degree. So 360 minus 25 is how much? 335 degrees, na? Yes, it is 335 degrees. Which option is correct? Option A is correct or not? Yes, option A is correct if you just observe, right? Like that. So select the answer for this 263 question, everyone. Select the answer for this, all of you. Select the answer for this, all of you. Any answer by anyone? The magnetic bearing of a line AB is south 28 degree east, right? Ankit Puri said B. Another answer by others? Yeah. Magnetic bearing of this line AB is Karan Singh said D. C. Okay, we'll see. AB is south 28 degree east. If the declination of this location is 80 degree west, right? It is 80 degree west. Then the true bearing of this line AB will be, right? What is that a true bearing? There are two ways, na? One way, diagrammatic way, we'll go for first. So what is that you can say? South 28 degree east, right? What is that you can say? First of all, this is your true north. If you just observe, this is your true south, that is your true north, true south, and this is your true west, and this is your which one, this is true east. If you just look at what is that line given, magnetic declination is 80 degree west na, declination is 80 degree west means with respect to this true north, magnetic north will be in which direction, 80 degree towards west side na, 80 degree towards west side, right? So this is 80 degree towards west side, magnetic north is on west side of true north by 80 degree. Okay, this is your 80 degree, and this is also which one, this 80 degree we can say, yes na, and this is your magnetic south. And now if you just observe what is that given in the question, if you just observe, magnetic bearing is south 28 degree east, right? South 28 degree east means, right, this is your AB line na? This is your AB line, and what is this value given? This is given as your 28 degree, right? Now tell me that a true what is that a true bearing then? True bearing is nothing but your 28 degree, right? South east na, south east, how much it comes to be? So this is 28 degree plus this 80 degree na, with respect to this true south, if you wanted to get it, right, with respect to this true south, if you wanted to get it, this much angle we have to get it now. How much it is? 80 degree plus 28. So what is that? 28 degree plus 8, 36 now. How much it comes to be? That a true bearing will be equal to south, which one, this 36 degree east, right? South 30 degrees, 36 degrees east means, is it not that option C? Yes, it is option C, correct, right? Is it clear? This option is correct, yes now, right? Select the answer of you for this 264 question. To 64 question, select the answer of you. Similar kind of question we are done. Just before we are done, the first question is this one only na, similar type of question only we have solved. The first and foremost question is similar to this only na. So we could be solving it. Karan Singh said A. Right. The forebearing of the line AB is 50 degree and that of BC is 20 degree. Then the included angle between these lines is, right, forebearing of this line AB is how much? 50 degree na. So first one, if you just observe AB line, right, this is A, you can say. Forebearing of this line AB is which one? This 50 degree, if you just observe, right. This is your how much? This 50 degree AB line, right, and that of BC line is how much, you can say, and that of BC line is 20 degree only, no. So this is your BC, you can say, and what is this one? This is your north, and what is this angle, you can say, that angle is your 20 degree, if you just observe, right. Now tell me, how can you get this included angle? Can we say this is the included angle? Yes, this will be the included angle, you can say, right. Now what is this angle? That is your 50 means this is also 50 degree na. This is also 50 degree, and what is the remaining angle, if you just observe? This angle will be how much? 180 minus 50 na, that is 180 minus 50, right. What is it? 180 minus 50 equal to 180 minus 50 is equal to how much? You can, everyone you can say 180 minus 50 is nothing but your 130 na. So therefore what is that included angle? Angle ABC is equal to how much? So this is which one? This 20 degree plus 130 degree, right. What is that at 20 plus this 130, if you just observe? 20 degree plus this 130 degrees equal to how much? 150 degrees na. Yes, it is 150 degrees. Option D is correct. Is that clear, Karan? Is that clear, Karan? Where you have done mistake, is that clear? Did you identify? Did you identify? Yes, na? So that is which one? This 20 plus this 130. Yes, na? Karan, just observe carefully and solve. No. Next question, 265 question I am starting. So select the answer of you for this question, 265 question. So on Monday, this Compass surveying will be over. Compass surveying questions will be over on Monday. Monday will be the last class on Compass survey, and from Tuesday onwards we'll be starting the theodolite survey. Okay, All-State PSC PYQs of theodolite survey will be starting. Okay, from Tuesday. Monday, that local attraction questions will be doing, right? Some 3-4 questions from this topic, and the local attraction questions will do. With that, Compass survey will get over by Monday. Tuesday onwards, theodolite survey will be starting. Okay. Select the answer for this, all of you. To 65 question. Select the answer, everyone. 265 question. How it could be D? Magnetic declination at a place if the magnetic bearing of this sun at noon is 352 degree 40 minutes, right? What is that actually? Do you remember that, everyone? At noon, right? At noon, how much it will be? At noon, that sun must be having this 180 degrees only. No, somewhere I have written. At noon, what should be the true bearing? If you just observe, at noon, that true bearing of this sun must be 180 degrees. Is not? You have to be careful, right? So what is that? At noon for sun, right? At noon for sun, what is that you can say? That a true bearing will be which one? This 180 degrees only, right? 180 degrees only you can say. Yes, na? So now tell me that a true bearing is equal to magnetic bearing plus, if it is eastern declination, plus theta. If it is western declination, what you can say? That a true bearing will be equal to magnetic bearing minus this western declination. Is na? So, but what is it? So here which one is higher? That magnetic bearing is higher than this true bearing, na? And here which one is higher? That a true bearing is higher than this magnetic bearing, na? Now, what is the magnetic bearing of this sun given? Magnetic bearing here given as 352 degrees 40 minutes, right? 352 degrees 40 minutes. And what is that? A true bearing, you can say true bearing is your 180 degrees, right? Then magnetic bearing is higher means which one it will be? Western declination, na? That a true bearing is equal to that magnetic bearing minus this western declination. What is the true bearing? You can say 180 degrees is equal to magnetic bearing is how much? 352 degrees 40 minutes minus western declination, right? Now tell me what is that western declination? If you just observe, western declination is what? 352 degrees 40 minutes minus this 180, right? What is the answer? Tell me, is it a D or it is a C? 172 degrees 40 minutes west, na? Which option is correct? Is it B option is correct, na? Yes or no, all of you? Is not that option be correct? Noon is given, na? Noon is given. Whenever it is noon means that fellow sun will be at the south pole side, right? South side, right? Southern part means he will be in the southern side, means whenever he is in the southern side means what is that you can say? 180 degrees is the true bearing, na? Yes, 180 degrees is the true bearing. Is that clear? Is that clear? Ankit and Karan, where you have done mistake? Where you have assessed wrongly, is that clear? Ankit and Puri? Ankit and Karan? Yes, na? So shall we move to the next question of you? Yes, I'll be moving on to the last question for today. After this question, we'll stop here. 266th question. Select the answer, all of you. Clear? Ankit and Karan. The previous question. Select the answer for this now. 266th question. Select the answer, everyone. Could you? ABCD is a rectangular plot of land, right? Could you answer or should I solve? Should I solve? ABCD is a rectangular plot of land. Whenever it is rectangular plot means what is that you can say? The angles between any two adjacent sides will be 90 degrees. Na? And if the bearing of this line AB is 75 degree and the bearing of this DC is, right? You are asked to identify the bearing of this DC, right? So what is that you can say? AB is 75 degree, right? Bearing of this AB line is 75 degree means, let us consider this is your north, this is your south, this is your east, and this is your west, if you just have, right? So what is it you can say? Line AB is 75 degree, right? What is that 75 degree? It is just nearby east, na? It is just nearby east, and yes, it is just nearby east, 75 degree you are having, right? This is your A point, this is your B point, you can say. And if you just observe for this, right, what is it you can say? This is your BC, na? And what is this angle? 90 degrees this angle, na? Yes, 90 degrees is angle, right? And if you are just observing, right, at this place also you will be having one more side of the rectangle, na? One more side of the rectangle you can say, right? What is it? This is your D. You are asked to identify which one this DC, na? You are asked to identify the bearing of this DC line, right? So which one you are asked to identify? If you just observe, bearing of this DC line you are asked to identify, right? What is this bearing of this DC line? Let us say this is your alpha, let us say, yes, na? Let us say that is your alpha, right? This value will be asked to identify, right? Can't you get it? Can't you get it? Because these are parallel, right? Because these are parallel, what you can say directly? So since AD will be, right, what is that? AD will be parallel to which one? That AD will be parallel to which one? This BC. So therefore what is that you can say here? If you just observe that DC will be parallel to which one? The DC will be parallel to this AB, na? The DC will be parallel to this AB or not? The DC will be parallel to this AB if you just observe, right? Now can we say bearing, right, magnetic bearing of this DC will be equal to that magnetic bearing of this AB only. So what is that magnetic bearing of this AB is already known to us. Magnetic bearing of this side AB will be 75 degree. And can we say this angle is also same 75 degree? Yes, na? Angle between the two lines is same, na? So these two lines are parallel to each other, and this is north you are having and this is north you are having, right? Yes, na? When this is 75 degree, that is also 75 degree, na? Obviously DC line. So this is your DC and this is your AB. So do you require any calculation or you don't require any calculation? Directly we can select the answer na? All of it. Directly we can select this answer or not? Yes. Directly we can select this answer if you just observe. Is that clear everyone? Yes, I'll be closing the session. Thank you all of you. We'll meet in the tomorrow's class. Tomorrow means Saturday, Sunday we don't have these classes. Again Monday. Monday to Friday every day at 4:30 p.m. you are having this state PSC PYQs of surveying. Monday you will be having this compass surveying completed. Local attraction questions will be doing on Monday, along with some 3 questions on this bearing, declination, all these things. And after that, Tuesday onwards, theodolite questions will be doing. Is that clear everyone? Anyone having any doubt? Yes, I'll be closing the session. Thank you all of you.